Guys, it's happening. So I'm at M&M Custom Collision Center in Charlotte, North Carolina, and right now my car is in the booth. Let's check it out. Hood still needs to be painted. Here is my trunk lid. Still needs to be painted. My front balance bumper. My rear balance and rear bumper all need to be painted too. Sorry guys, I had to do some voiceover here because there was some music playing, but here is the headlight buckets and kind of the bottom part of the grille. Getting ready for paint. You're gonna clear coat the car?
Yeah.
All right.
Now.
Can't wait to see it, man. Thank you. All right, this should be good. Here we are at the shop. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? I am lost for words right now. Check it out. Here it is. My 67 coupe. It's got the Eleanor body kit. That's customized. It's been painted avalanche gray. And it just looks amazing. It's incredible. I am so happy with the quality of work that these guys did at M&M Customs Collision Center in Charlotte. It is so good. And I was on the fence about the rear tail panel. So my original idea was to do everything in gloss black, but they left this matte, and God bless, do I love it. It is amazing. So I just made a change. We're going to do all of the accents in that like matte semi-gloss black. But this paint just looks so good. I mean, I love that angle right there. I hope you guys like it. Here you can see Luis spraying the clear coat on all the last pieces that are in the paint booth. Here are the final pieces that got painted in avalanche gray. We've got a new rear valance, a brand new rear bumper, the headlight buckets and lower grille, and then the bottom half of the front bumper. The other thing that we did was we modified the driver's side door for the Shelby style mirrors. We had to fix and fill one of the holes. So in this shot,
the boys at M&M Customs were installing my hood, and just before I got my camera ready, they had just finished installing the trunk lid, so you'll get to see that as well. But these guys were awesome. Cole and Jesus, they really took care of my car, and they were super cool to be around. Hey Cole, what are you doing?
Wet sanding the trash out of the paint.
Well, I mean, I've seen what you made that fender look like and what this fender looks like, which is like glass. My God almighty, Cole. Good job, man. It's gonna look great. That door looks awesome.
Thank you.
All right, so what type of grit are you using? Walk us through this process, because I mean, I don't know how to wet sand.
I'm using 2000 grit, and I'm sanding it down, and then after I get done sanding with this, I'll go back to 3000 on the DA, and it'll take the 2000 grit scratches out of it, and then I'll buff over it.
Cool. Good stuff. What type of compounds do you use?
I use Robello polish and Robello compound.
Well, I'll let you work.
You want to try it?
No. I do not want to try wet sanding my car door. No thanks. So here you can see we've test fitted the trunk lid. We've got the passenger door test fitted. It's going to have to come back off to get weather stripping and all of the window guts reinstalled. The hood has been put on, and it just looks awesome. I really love the louvers. I would love to know what you guys think of the black louvers on the hood. That's kind of my favorite piece of it, but I'm really enjoying watching this whole car come together. Quick parts run. Let's go. So here I am back from the parts run, and I go in the shop, and they have just annihilated my old door, pulled all the guts out, and have started assembling my new door and the other door, and it looks great. I'm super happy. I love the black trim. I think that looks awesome. I'm so glad that they're installing and gluing in the new weather stripping, and I walked around the car and just was in love. I mean, I'm so happy with how everything has come out, and the car just looks awesome. Yeah, so we took the rear window out, which I think was a good call. So they're going to go in and fix all of this, clean that up nice. But look what we found. We found a rust hole right there. So that needs to get fixed. Guys, that's it for today's episode. There's a lot more to come. The car is even more put together, and in the next video, you'll see it 100% complete. I can't wait to show you.